refresh your memory. So this is what the Qutayyib is, Ismu Tasgir, diminutive noun. We already studied it. Huh? Okay. Ammar is replying to the teacher. Astati'u. What is the meaning of astati'u? I can, I'm able to. Bi'awnillah. With the help of Allah. See, it's a very nice way of saying, I can do it, but with one condition, and that is with the help of Allah. If Allah helps me, inshallah, I'll be able to do it, okay? Faqad. No, qad is here for tahqiq. Faqad tarjamtu. Tarjamtu. What will be the meaning of here? Faqad tarjamtu. I have. I have. Okay. Qabla haza. Before this. I have translated before this iddata. This is your mafulun bihi. Iddata. Number of books. Iddata kutubin. Number of books. Iddata mudhaf, kutubin mudhaf ilayhi. Islamiyatin is the naat. Now, brothers and sisters, you translate. Faqad tarjamtu qabla hadha iddata kutubin islamiyya. I have translated before this number of Islamic books. Is it clear, the translation? Inshallah. Al-Mudarris. Uridu an uwazziya al-Qutayyib al-Mutarjama. Look at this sentence, brother. Uridu an uwazziya al-Qutayyib al-Mutarjama. Translation, brother and sisters. What is the meaning of wazza'a? Yuwazzi'u. To distribute. What is the meaning of wazza'a? Yuwazzi'u. To distribute. I want to distribute. What do you want to distribute? Qutayyaba. Fine. A booklet. Mutarjama. What is mutarjama? Ism maf'ul. It is ism maf'ul. MashaAllah. Okay. I want to distribute the translated booklet ala ikhwanin. To the brothers. Who are they? Hadith al-Ahdi bil-Islam. Brother, change this ikhwanin into singular. Akhun. If it is akhun, what will you say after that? I want to write down, brother. Ila akhin. Then what will you say? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? I'm trying to make you penetrate into this sentence. Go deeper into this sentence. Ila akhin. Sahi? Okay. And then Hadith al-Ahdi bil-Islam. So what is Hadithi? It is mudaf. Mudaf, mudaf ilayh. Are you with me, brother? But then akhin, brothers and sisters, ila akhin is jar majroor. And because akhin has a tanween, it cannot be mudaf. So what is this hadith al-ahdi? It is a naat. What is it? Naat for whom? Akhin. Remember I told you that. This is the way naat will come. Okay? What is the brothers? Ila akhin. I want to distribute to a brother who is new in Islam. Okay, are you with me, brother? I want to distribute to a brother new in Islam. Huh? So Hadith C is the Naat. Brother and sister, Hadith C is the Naat. And see, it is Majroor. Why it is Majroor? Because the Man'ut is Majroor. Are you with me? The Man'ut is Majroor. Okay. So, and then Ahadi is Mudaf ilayhi of Hadith. Okay. And then Bil Islam Ja Majroor. Now change this Akhin into Ikhwanin. So what will become to Hadith? Let me write it down. Brothers and sisters, let me write it down. Ila ikhwanin. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? I'm deliberately going into detail for you to think it over and figure out. So Hadithin or Hadithi now has to be Jama. So make Hadith into Jama Mudhakkar Salim. So what will be? Hadithuna. Now make it Majroor. Hadithina. Fine. Ha-di-si-na. And now it is after that it is coming Ahadi. What is this? Mudaf ilayhi. So if the Jama Mudhakkar Salim is Mudaf, the Noon has to be dropped. So this is what happened here. This Noon got dropped. And what is the result now? Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Maybe you should insert Noon before Al. So that you can have a thorough understanding. Still, ila ikhwanin, to the brothers. And what is Hadith al-Ahdi? What is Hadith al-Ahdi, brothers and sisters? The whole thing is an adjective. It's a Naat. This is the Naat, okay? Inshallah. You got the idea, brothers and sisters? Alhamdulillah. Ammar says, Idhan, look at it, brother and sister, Idhan utarjima who? Why, brother, utarjima? Idhan has come. Nawasibu mudariya. Idhan utarjima who? Translation? I will translate. See, if you use idhan, the meaning has to be future. Otherwise, idhan cannot make the verb mansub. Idhan utarjimahu fi akrabi waqtin mumkinin. Translation, brothers and sisters. In that case, I will translate in the nearest possible time. Inshallah. So, fi harf jar, akrabi ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, waqtin mudaf ilayhi, and mumkinin naat. It is naat. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. Are you following me? I hope you are following me. Inshallah.